Hey friends, I have a really cute snack to show you today. But before I do, let's see if you can guess the star ingredient. And I use the word star because the first clue is that this food has a star inside. What could that be? I'm gonna go ahead and give you another clue because that's kind of hard. It's a fruit. Think about all the fruits you've ever eaten. Have you ever noticed a star shape inside? Are you thinking? All right, here's another clue. It's kind of round. It's not a perfect circle, but it's kind of a round shape. So we have a round fruit with a star shape inside. Any ideas? Last clue. It's usually red or green or a kind of yellow color. Do you know what it is? Did you say apple? Yes, it's the apple. If you cut an apple in half this way, it has a star inside. Look at that. The core in the middle of the apple looks like a star when you cut it that way, and you can actually see some apple seeds in there. Pretty neat, huh? This is the time of year that people like to pick apples when the weather starts getting cooler, and I bet you've eaten apples, applesauce, apple juice, any other apple foods? What about apple pie? That's what we're gonna make today. We're gonna make little teeny tiny apple pies. So here we go. All right, the ingredients we need to make our tiny little apple pies are flour tortillas. You probably need 2. Kind of depends on what size you make. You're gonna need some apple that's been cut up really fine. That means really small, into little bitty pieces. So you're gonna need an adult to peel that apple and cut it up for you. Then you're gonna need to melt some butter. And then you're gonna need a mixture of cinnamon and sugar, okay? So those are our ingredients. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is make our teeny tiny pie crusts, okay? So we're gonna take our tortilla and our melted butter, and if you have a special pastry brush, it's very handy to paint on the butter. But you don't have to, you can improvise, find another way to do it. All right, so I'm gonna get butter on there. And then we need our cinnamon sugar mixture. We're just gonna sprinkle it. Just get a little pinch and sprinkle all around. A little bit more. Okay. Now, you're gonna need something to cut out your little pie crust. We're going to use that word improvise again because Miss Cat did not have a cookie cutter, so I'm going to use a cup, okay? So we're going to cut circles out to be our pie crust. See? Now I'll show you what we're going to do with them after I cut the rest out. All right, so after you have cut out as many little pie crusts as you're going to make, you're gonna get a cupcake pan, and we're gonna use some non-stick spray. I only did it in 10 cups because I'm making 10 little pies, okay? Then I'm gonna take the piece I cut out, and we're just gonna put it down in there very gently. See how that fits? Push it in with your fingers, just real careful. All right, you can't have apple pie without apple pie filling, so we're gonna take those diced up apples. That just means they're cut up small. We're gonna take the rest of our butter. That might be too much. Let's just do about half of it. Then we're gonna take some cinnamon sugar. Now we're gonna mix all this up. What do you think? Does it need more cinnamon sugar? Oh, maybe just a little bit more. All right. I think that's gonna be pretty good. All right, now we're going to take our filling and put it inside our pie crust. So we just need a spoon and we're gonna put right in there. All right, so after I got my pan filled, I put it in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. And now I'm gonna take a fork and pop my little pie right out. Look how cute. Our story today is All for Pie, Pie for All by David Martin and published by Candlewick Press. Grandma Cat made an apple pie. Little brother cat ate a piece, big sister cat ate a piece, mama cat ate a piece, papa cat ate a piece, grandma cat ate a piece, and one piece of pie was left. And then the cats took naps. I smell apple pie, said Grandma Mouse. Little brother mouse ate a piece, big sister mouse ate a piece, mama mouse ate a piece, papa mouse ate a piece, grandma mouse ate a piece. 6 crumbs were left. And then the mice took naps. I smell apple pie, said Grandma Ant. Little brother ant walked away with a crumb. Big sister ant walked away with a crumb. Mama ant walked away with a crumb. Papa ant walked away with a crumb. Grandma ant walked away with a crumb. One little crumb was left. Then Baby Ant woke up from her nap. Pie, said Baby Ant. Baby Ant walked away with the last crumb. Then the pie was all gone. I'm hungry. Should I bake another pie? Asked Grandma Cat. Yes, 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 meowed the cats. Yes, 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 squeaked the mice. Yes, 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 yelled the ants as loud as they could. So Grandma Cat baked another pie. This one was blueberry, and Brother Cat and Sister Cat and Brother Mouse and Sister Mouse and Brother Ant and Sister Ant and even little Baby Ant all helped make it. And then everyone helped eat it until not even a crumb was left. The end. I think that's a really cute story. I've got another book here that's about apple pie. It's called The Apple Pie Tree. And it actually kind of tells you about apple pie trees through the year until it's time to pick the apples off of them and make apple pie. So that's a neat one. and that's by Zoe Hall. And then you have Apples by Gail Gibbons. This one's got lots of words, but lots of good information. Then, if you want one with real photographs, there is Apples by Erica Shores. It's got not a lot of words, lots of nice big photographs. It tells you about apples. It's a nonfiction book. So that's all the time I have for today. So see you next time.